Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this box of yarn from King Cole and we'll see what's in it. Now I've had to lift my camera up because it's quite... We'll have a look and see what... Oh, look at this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this up. Oh, there's goodies. Oh, lovely pink tissue paper. A little bag. Small tissue paper. Oh, a bag of goodies. It says, thank you. So you just get some little personal notes. Now there is a bag of goodies. Let's take this out. We'll take it out. We'll take the packages out. And I'll put the box down on the floor. I might have to put it out of... There we are. We'll move these over here. All packaged up in tissue paper. Now look at this. Oh, look. There's buttons. Some buttons. And a badge. Some chocolate. A couple of pens. Nice bright pink pens. I'll give one to Sandra. A bag. Let's have a look. See what these goodies are. Oh. A little bag. What does this say? Handmade with love. Oh, I like them. I can attach that to some of my items. I use King Cole yarn a lot. I love the baby glitz. Oh, there's more buttons hiding in there. Little pussycat buttons. There's a bag. King Cole. It's quite a handy bag. It's Hessian. Strong. Great little shopper bag. I'll pop that over there. There's buttons. There's blue buttons and pink buttons. Couple of badges. Some more little buttons. Oh, I like that. I love crochet. And I love knitting. One that says knitting, one that says crochet. There's a couple of pens. King Cole pens. Oh, nice. And some chocolates. Oh, look at this. King Cole chocolate. I wonder if it's milk chocolate or plain chocolate. We'll have a look. I'm going to eat one. I shouldn't, but I'm going to. Oh, plain chocolate. Oh, I love plain chocolate. Oh, yummy. Mmm. Oh, Mmm. Oh, that's so good. I put them back in there. Oh, that chocolate's delicious. Put that aside. I'll move my little bag. I moved it in. I was taking a picture, so I moved it in. Now, the King Cole Cloud 9. There's 6 different colours in the King Cole Cloud 9. It's a double knitting, and if you're in the USA, that's a weight 3 yarn. Oh, look at that. That's Drifter. Oh, that one must be Cloud 9. This one's Drifter. Now, the Drifters are double knitting as well. And that's a weight 3. We'll take this out. So this is the Drifter DK. This is double knitting and it's a weight 3 yarn. There's 17 different shades in this one. There's 8 different types of Drifter. They've got Chunky, they've got Aaron, they've got DK, they've got Drifter Baby. There is a 3-ply. There is quite a few different ones in this Drifter. Now, the Drifter is a variegated yarn. I've got a King Cole sitting here. This is a King Cole Riot, and this is what's classed as a colour change. Now, the difference, people say, oh, that's variegated. This is what's called a colour change. It goes from one shade, and there's quite a little bit of it, and then it moves on to another one. Now, that's a colour change one. The variegated is where it's all through the yarn. It's not done in blocks of colour. It's all through it. Now, this one, we'll take some of these out. They are so pretty. Now, these are nice enough to even just match. There is slightly, look at that. It's like tweed. Look at that white through it all. But the shades of pink there are very similar with this. Now, there's one ball of each of these, but you can make quite a few things with one ball. You can make hats, you can make gloves, you can make socks. One ball is 100 grams is enough to make a pair of socks. So there is 100 grams in it. It's 100% acrylic, but it's soft. It is so soft. This one is called New York. The number for this one is 1362. This one is Delaware. Oh, they're named after American states and areas. Take them all out of here. This one is Florida. Oh, I love Florida. I like that. That's a nice pretty coral. It's all those coral colours as well. It's nice and pretty sunshine. This one is Boston. So I think I've got one or two of these. This is Kentucky. This one is Ohio. And that one was Delaware and that one was New York. These are, look at the way they're done though. You can make squares out of these and just, even if you've only got one ball of each, you can make so much. A lot of that will match together as well. It's really soft though. I'm not going to say I'm surprised because a lot of the King Cole baby yarn is really soft as well. Now you can get King Cole yarn just about most places that sell yarn. Online there is hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of suppliers, and you've got King Cole's own website as well. I'll leave a link to their own website because there are a lot of new yarns on it. There's a lot of new yarns. Now the Drifter, I love the Drifter. I really like the beach one. There's one that's, is it Beachcomber? There's a beach one that's, I love the glitz. I love a lot of them. Now this one is Threads of Joy. Right, this one is the Cloud 9. This is a newer one. Look at this. And again, this one's a double. I'll move that out of the way. It's really noisy. I'm surprised Muttley's not through here. So for this one, there's 6 colours in the Cloud 9. It's made up along the same lines as the Drifter. Now, it's made up of 4 strands of yarn. And then it's all of them have got a white in that helps the colour stand out. I'm going to open this up. It's a DK, that's a double knitting, and that's a weight 3. There's 300 metres, that's 338, I think, yards, if you do it that way. Let's just take that tape off. I'm in a little bit of a pickly mess over here. So we'll open this bag up. It's quite a big bag. Well packed. Good bag for keeping your projects in. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my goodness. This is so soft. This one is called Aqua Skies. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. So I wish you could feel how soft this is. There's lots of King Cole patterns to go with their yarn. That is so soft. Now, I'm really a bit sick. I've only got one of each. They've only sent me one of each. Oh my goodness, I wish I had a little bit more of some of these because it is so soft. Now, this one is so pretty. All these peach colours in it. This one is Peachy Peach. Perfect name for it. And you can see the colours in this. There's lilac, lemon, there's a peach, a pink, a white, all twisted together in there. It's so soft. But this one, there's 100 grams. It's 100% acrylic, cotton candy. That is so nice. I really like that blue. Peachy ones in it. That one's beautiful. Now, there's this one. It's called Morning Dew. That one's Morning Dew. This one is Sherbet Sky. That's beautiful. That's so pretty. Look at that. It's so soft. I wish you could feel how soft it is. And this one is Baby Breeze. So squishy. It's really beautiful. So on the website, it's a good idea to have a look on the website because it actually tells you all the colours that are available, and then you can go and look for it online or from your favourite seller and ask them, can you get me this? Or I'm looking for Cloud 9 and the Peachy Peach. That way you can find out from King Cole themselves all the colours that they do. Not all the stockists will carry all the colours that are available. So maybe that's why I've never seen the glitz in those other colours. Maybe they're just doing the most popular colours. But I'll find someone somewhere with all the new colours anyway. But it's worthwhile going on their website and having a look at all the different ones that you might not see in your stockist. And then you can just Google it and see who it is that maybe are selling it. So I hope that gives you a little bit of an insight into one of the new yarns by King Cole. But believe me, it is really soft. You will not be disappointed with this. Now, I didn't say a price on it because some different wholesalers have maybe got it a few pennies or even like up to £1 cheaper than other ones. But if you go onto Google and you put in King Cole Cloud 9 onto Google, you'll find a whole load of stockists and warehouses that'll do this, all the yarn warehouses, and see what the difference in the price of it is. On their own website, they don't sell it. The website is to show, it's a guide with all the colours and all the yarns that are available as well. But you can always go on and have a look and then maybe type in if you want Cloud 9 and say you want this cotton candy one, and you'll see who all the stockists are. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. And if you go on to King Cole's website and you give them your email, they'll let you know when they bring out new yarn as well. They'll let you know that when there's new yarn and there's new patterns available. So that is a great thing as well. Then you can catch up quickly with all the new yarn that's coming out. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.